Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people, any which part of the world you know there. Today, me just want to take the opportunity for which all of my women followers, them a very happy Women's Day. Make me tell you no thing, as me sit down here, me a reflect, you know. It brought back memories of all the women that have played an integral role in my life. Now there has been many women, and me cannot name them all. But me have to give thanks to my mother, Miss Gloria Lacey, aka Judgy. 1 year now since she gone home to be with the Lord. But make me tell you something. One of the things when me remember my mother always has strict on me with is education. She always say, listen, Adria, when you go school, take in your book, because when you get that piece of paper there when you graduate, nobody can take it from you. And that is true, because the few little paper them when me have with me name panny, for me, nobody can take it. Then me can't forget my granny, you know. Hey, Miss Alva Lacey, aka Miss Selva. Let me tell you something. That the woman that brought me up in the church and instilling me what the love of Jesus Christ is all about. She always wake me up a morning time for prayer, and at night time me have to pray, and every Sunday me have to go Sunday school and church, whether or not me like it. But let me tell you something. Those things have aided in my success. Let me tell you something. She always say, without God you are nothing. Always put God first. And my people, me learn as big as me a big as steering woman like me get to realize without God you are nothing. That is what has followed me from childhood to now. And me and you know say that are true, because without God we can't do nothing. We are nothing. Then me cannot forget me auntie, Miss Iris Lacey, aka Miss Potion, the pastor down a Pigeon River Methodist Church there in a Clarendon, Pigeon River. Make me tell you say that the woman there is a praying woman, and she always a pray me up, and me give thanks, because me and you know say in a them unprecedented times, if you don't have enough prayer behind you, you tend to falter. Some days you can't even go on, but at them the prayers they keep with. So my people, drop a line below and make me hear phone memories of some of the women them that have played an integral role in our life. As always, Mama Selva, bless up on yourself.